Question 10 is testing our knowledge of the circumference and area of a circle. And we're supposed to leave our answer in terms of pi, which for a non-calculator paper, I would think that was fairly essential. So let's write down the circumference and areas of a circle so that we've got those formulas right in front of us. So I can say that C is equal to 10, which is equal to 2 pi r. 2 divides into 10 5 times. So therefore r is equal to 5 here, divided by pi. So that's equation 1, that's equation 2. And if I substitute 1 into 2, I get that the area, which is what they want, work out the area of the circle, is equal to pi multiplied by this guy squared. So this is multiplied by 25 over pi squared. Well, that pi cancels with one of the 2 pi's in the denominator, and we're left with 25 over pi. And that's your answer.